Okay, welcome back. Let's work through this one. So again, we're told the fifth term of the series is 18, and we also know it's arithmetic. So let's see if we can use it to help figure out a little bit more information about the sequence. So remember that the general term for an arithmetic sequence is Tn equals a plus d times n minus 1. So if I know the fifth term is 18, that means when n equals 5, Tn is equal to 18. So I put that into the equation, I get 18 equals a plus, if n is 5, it's 5 minus 1, which is 4d. So 18 equals a plus 4d. And that doesn't really tell us that much, but it does give us an equation involving both a and d. Let's see if we can do something similar with the other piece of information over here, being told the sum of the first 8 terms is 128. Okay, so remember our sum formula. Okay, and what we're being told here is that S8 is 128, which means that when n equals 8, Sn equals 128. So if we put that in, we have 128. We get 8 over here. 2a plus, if n is 8, n minus 1 is 7, so 2a plus 7d all over 2. And it looks like what I have here is another equation involving a and d. So if I have two equations with two unknowns, a and d, I should be able to use either substitution or elimination to be able to solve for a and d. So what I'm going to do with the one on the right here is I'm going to simplify it a little bit. So I see I have 8 over 2 right here. So 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. So I get 128 equals 4 times 2a plus 7d. I'm also going to divide both sides of the equation by 4 just to simplify it a little bit further. Okay, so overall that tells me that 32 equals 2a plus 7d. And again, what I have here is two equations, two unknowns. So I would like you to solve these equations using either substitution or elimination. Okay, so I used elimination to solve these ones. So I took my first equation and multiplied it by 2 so I could get a 2a, so they have the same coefficient as the a in the second equation. So I wound up with 36 equals 2a plus 8d. I subtracted the second equation, which was 32 equals 2a plus 7d. When I subtracted the equations, the a's canceled. I got 36 minus 32, which is 4, 8d minus 70, which is 1d. So right away I see that d is equal to 4. I then used one of the original equations to then solve for a, so I got an a value of 2. So once I have these two values right here, I now know a lot more about this arithmetic sequence that we're talking about, and now I can actually calculate the sum of the first 20 terms. So I took my formula for Sn, and I put in 20 for n, 2 for a, and 4 for d, since I now know everything I need for the equation. And once I simplified everything, I wound up with the sum of the first 20 terms being 800. Okay, so that's it for this one. The only thing that's really left is to look at geometric series, and we'll do that tomorrow.